This week in writing, we started working on personal narratives. A personal narrative is when you write a story all about yourself. Hmm, you know, I really know a lot about my family, so that's what I'm going to write a story about today. I'm going to think about what I like to do with my family that is so fun. My family and I, we go for walks, and it is so fun outside to go for a walk. So now that I've thought about what I'm going to write, I'm going to get ready to touch my paper and sketch out the picture. Now that I have my writing paper, I'm going to put my name up at the top. Remember, you're going to do yours in pencil. Miss Ruchi uses her special pencil so that we can see it better. Now I'm going to write the date at the top. Today's date is 9-11-20, September 11th, 2020. Okay, so I thought about my family, and we go on walks. Now I'm going to plan out on my page. I'm going to draw a picture of me, my mom, my dad, and my brother, and then I'm going to draw a tree with a sun and maybe some grass on the bottom. Now I've touched my paper and planned it out. I'm going to get ready to sketch my picture. I'm going to sketch the grass because we're outside, and I'm going to add a tree. I want to make sure that my story has a setting, and a setting is where my story takes place. Now I'm going to draw the sun because it's nice and sunny out. Now I'm going to draw myself. And remember, when we sketch the pictures, we just sketch the outline. We don't sketch or color it just yet. So there's me. I'm going to draw my mom. And my dad. And my brother. Now that I've sketched my picture, I'm ready to write the words. Let me plan out my words. We walk. I know that I'm going to write 2 words. We walk. Now let's stretch out the sounds so that we can spell the word we. Wa, e. The first sound I hear is a W. Wa. The second sound I hear is an E. Now I'm going to try and stretch out the sounds for walk. We walk. Walk. I hear a W, an O, and a K. And I always end my sentence with a period. Now I've written a personal narrative about what I do with my family that's fun. We walk. I'm going to go back and add some more details like labels to my picture. Ooh, that's the sun. And this is a tree. I don't know how to spell tree, but I know that it starts with a T, so I'm just going to put a T. This is the grass, and I don't know how to spell grass, so I'm just going to go with the first sound I hear. G. That's a G, and this is E. E. This is my mom, and this is my dad, and this is my brother. Now I'm ready to add some color with some crayons. It's your turn. Go ahead and take some writing paper out and try to write something fun that you like to do with your family. Don't forget to sketch the picture first, plan out your words, and stretch the sounds out when you're trying to write. You got this.